Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add fade in and fade out in Splice. Splice is a mobile video editor that helps creating professional quality videos simple and fun. And one of the easiest ways to give your video and polished cinematic feel is by using the fade in and fade out effect. And these effects gradually introduce or end up a clip or a video audio, creating smooth transition that make your video look more professional. First, what you can do is you need to launch your Splice app on your phone. If you do not have a Splice app yet, you can go to the Play Store or the App Store and download it from there as well. And over here you can import the video or the audio clip where you want to apply the fade effect, as I'm going to select one of the draft here. And after that, on the bottom you can find this effect. Select to this effect. And over here what you can do is you need to go to your video effects there, and over here if you find the fade in or fade out effect, you can simply select any of the fade in or fade out effect in the video and tap play to check your fades and adjust the fade duration. Fade in and fade out effect in Splice help your video transition smoothly, giving them a professional cinematic visual or the audio. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.